Talo falava everyone, my name is Elijah of Tour Samoa and we are here at the beautiful Tamesina Island Resort. We're just outside waiting for some of our friends from New Zealand and we're about to take them for a tour around the beautiful islands of Samoa just to go and meet some of our local entrepreneurs and to go through the process of them creating their product. Hope you guys enjoy. Glad you could join us. Talo falava and welcome to Samoa.
La Samoa, la Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua o ia o lo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni puapuanga, fa'amalo situ maupea. O te alofa ia te oe la Samoa. Talo Samoa lo uotunu upelele anga. Ai se o upese pese atu mafama tala. Lo matamo fiele mafaya upuna fama tala. Ua numera tasi fo i oe ile Pacifica. La Samoa, la Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua o ia o lo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni puapuanga, fa'amalo situ maupea. O te alofa ia te oe la Samoa. Le mawhai o nana lolo usa ufana uai. O la ufanua lanu lau ava o te tiwai. E uina o malanga I fafo I atunu ese. E le mawhai o nana lo o e Samoa lau pele.
So today's been really good. It's been really nice and amazing to see all the local crafts and art that Samoa has to offer, from amazing beer lovers to coffee to chocolate. It's definitely such an experience to behold, and I wish everyone could experience what we just did.
What a privilege today to have been able to come out and just see firsthand some of the incredible, passionate business people here in Samoa that are making coffee from scratch and making chocolate from scratch from local ingredients and printing these incredible artisan fabrics as well. So yeah, we've just been blessed to see so much talent and so much passion for the industry that's here in Samoa. Can't wait to see some more.
La Samoa.